That's my old memory stomping grounds, guys. As you can see all the way in the back, it's Buffalo Bills. This is the Prim, Nevada area. They closed down like a few years back, so a lot of memories there as a kid. I wish they were still open. That's the roller coaster. Call it a death roller coaster. I remember riding that with my dad before, and I remember my cousin Jeanette cussing in the background. Good times.
Turn left on ramp to I-15 South Las Vegas
said
Freeway.
pee-pee time, because not all poo-poo times are pee-pee times. Yeah, this is a pee-pee time.
Oh, ooh, Starbuckies! Starbuckies!
Turn left, then turn left.
We're at a stop right now. Jeremiah needs to go potty. So,
Turn left,
we're gonna
left.
stop here for a minute, use the toilet, and hopefully get some coffee.
6.6
That'd be
miles ahead.
num 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 num. Yeah. Hey! See, I knew it. I knew it. He wants to park over here because it's right next to Starbucks. Just kidding. Jeremiah does not want Starbucks. We're gonna get hamburgers, so we're gonna head over there at the Terribles and get some burgers. Now is the time. Yay! Kind of lightweight miss White Castle here. You know what? It's kind of weird because it kind of reminds me of, like, not to be all Filipino and everything, but it reminds me of the lumpia meat because of the onions that's mixed in it, and it's just like in little small bites, like pandesal or something, you know? That's what it reminds me of. Pandesal, lumpia pandesal breads sandwich.
It's so terrible.
I mean, it's technically still kind of like winter. In the desert. Oh wow. So cute. You could get them one. All the sodas. Zombie brain. They got a merry-go-round right here, and then a little train thing going on right there. And temporarily out of service, but it's a little froggy ride. So cute. Ooh. We have the little casino area. Oh look. Big fit. Red Bull. Got Captain Morgan right there. That looks awesome. Sorry, you didn't tell me.
I was calling you.
Need some White Castle. I haven't had White Castle in so long. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. Boo hoo hoo. Ooh, we ordered ours. That fish slider's an original one. Can't wait. What'd you order?
White Castle.
You ordered the restaurant?
Yeah, I did. Whole restaurant. Twerk, twerk. Twerk, twerk.
Did they really say twerk?
Work. Work, work.
That's his version. So our number 129. We are hungry. There you go. We went inside of Terrible's, got our White Castle. Now we go back to the car. Back to the doggies. Back to the car. Oh, back to the truck. Force of habit, dude. Force of habit. That's a big car. Yep. There goes our little boy. Always the guard dog of the truck. We got our White Castle fries and we got our cheeseburgers here and then our fish sandwiches right there. It's gonna be fire. So the sandwiches, they're like small itty bites. They look like this. This is the cheese slider. And then Jeremiah has the fish one.
Slider.
So it looks like
Fish.
lace.
Fillet of fish.
Like a little tiny filet-o fish. Great. On we go.